Hello, my name is Sam. I have never seen the world with my eyes, only with my heart. Some people think darkness is scary, but for me, darkness is normal. It is my everyday life.
Every morning, I wake up and listen. The birds are my sunrise. The warm air on my skin tells me the day has begun. I take my white cane and step outside. People walk fast, cars are loud, but I follow the sounds like a map. Today is special. I have an interview for a job at the library. I love books, even if I cannot see them. Stories are colors inside my mind. As I walk, suddenly, a man bumps into me hard. "Watch where you're going," he shouts. I feel small. I want to disappear. But I breathe, slow, and continue walking.
Not everyone understands people like me. When I reach the subway station, everything gets louder. Steps, voices, train noise. Too many sounds at once. I feel lost. My heart starts racing. Then, a gentle voice. "Hi, do you need help?" A girl. Soft voice. Kind. "Thank you. I just need the line to the library," I say. She guides my hand to the railing. Her hand is warm. "I'm Lily," she says. "I'm Sam," I reply.
We walk together down the stairs. For the first time today, I feel safe. On the train, she asks, "Were you always blind?" "Yes, since birth," I say.
She is quiet for a moment. "That must be difficult," I smile. "Sometimes, but I can feel things that others ignore. I hear sadness in voices. I know happiness in footsteps. Darkness teaches me to notice every little light." She doesn't speak, but I feel her smiling.
At the library, I take a deep breath. Lily wishes me good luck. Her voice is sunshine. Inside, the manager interviews me. I'm nervous. What if he thinks I'm slow, broken, less than others? But he says, "We don't need eyes to love books. Your passion is enough. Sam, welcome to our team."
My heart jumps like a light turning on inside me. I can't wait to tell Lily. I walk outside, but she is gone. Just air. Just steps fading far away. Maybe she was an angel for one day.
As I head home, I hear the same man from the morning, the one who yelled. He's arguing with someone, his voice angry, shaking. Then silence, a heavy silence. A wrong step. His cry cuts the air. I use my cane carefully. I reach him. He's on the ground near the train tracks. He needs help.
I give him my hand. He hesitates, then grips it tightly. I pull him up. He whispers, "Thank you. I'm sorry for earlier." I smile. It's okay. We all can fall, but we all can be helped too. His voice breaks. "You saw me when I didn't see you." Maybe he finally understands. I walk home, not with eyes that see, but with a heart that shines. Darkness is not my enemy. Sometimes, people with perfect eyes are the ones who really cannot see, until kindness opens their vision. And tonight, I feel the world brighter than ever before.
Be kind. Some battles are invisible, but kindness is a light anyone can feel.